Hello everybody. Let's see how to download your Microsoft certification. So you have to open certiport.com. It's an exam portal. Now just click on this login or register button. Here you have to enter your username. That is nothing but your mail ID. And password. Click on this login. Just a minute. See, you can check it out your exam result. And if you want to download certificate, you have to go to My Transcript. Click on it. So here is your details. So certification provided by Microsoft. Here is the PDF format. So just click on it. Automatically, you will get one PDF format certificate. Just click on this download button. So certificate downloaded, right? So you can also check the verification code. You can open verify.certiport.com and enter this particular code. You will get your details over there. Thank you.